Welcome to Born Cottage. Do you know what the inside layout of this beautiful tiny house? In this video I'll share the complete floor plan with all the sizes and details, so keep watching the video. So this is the floor plan of the house. The total area I have taken is the width is 20 feet in meter 6 meter and the length is 24 feet in meter 7.31 meter. And in the front side we have outdoor sitting area on the outside and we have sliding door. After that we will go inside. So we have living area. You can see here the sofa arrangement, tea table arrangement, TV unit on the front wall, and we have wash basin here. And if we go on the left front, so we have kitchen cum dining area. You can see here the kitchen cabinet with burner, sink and refrigerator arrangement, and also we have dining counter with 4 chairs and 2 large size windows for ventilation and light purpose of this area. After that we'll go inside. So we have a door here, and on the left side we have bedroom here. You can see here the bed arrangement, and we have large size window for ventilation and light purpose, and we have attached powder room here. With this room you can see here the water closet, ventilator for ventilation of this washroom. And if we go on the right side, so we have common use washroom plus water closet here. You can see here the water closet and the shower area, and we have ventilator for ventilation of this washroom. So this is the floor plan of the house you are watching on the screen. If you want your house design, so comment below. If you like the video, keep watching the video. Stay tuned with my YouTube channel. Thanks for watching this video. Thanks.